Go.
Please say hi to Abby and Aaron. We love you less than 3.
Yeah, if you just run, it's a lot easier. You died too? Oh God! Ugh.
Someone better have screen, or someone better have odd shot of that. Whatever.
Odd shot? Why do you call it odd shot? What does that mean? Just keep up with me and we can do this. Ah!
Oh, I lost.
Trust me, I already tried speed.